Welcome to Swadesi Startup Speaks, where we uncover India's thriving startup ecosystem. In this episode, we dive into India's first student led VC fund, AI and ML funding trends, Modi's push for space startups, Chalo Mobility's impact, and Groq CEO's AI insights. Stay tuned as we explore the stories shaping India's entrepreneurial landscape. IIM Visakhapatnam, IIM-V students and alumni have launched India's first student-managed startup funding initiative, EPI Funds Private Limited. Unlike traditional models, EP Funds is fully operated by students without direct board involvement from IIM-V or its incubator EIM-V field. The initiative allows students to secure funds from high net worth individuals, conduct due diligence draft term sheets, and manage the entire investment process. This hands-on experience gives them deep insights into venture capital and startup ecosystems. EPI Funds operates independently but benefits from IAMV Field's network and the Startup India Seed Fund, enabling co-investment opportunities. IAMV Field CEO Guhesh Ramanathan highlighted that EPI Funds will support startups while providing students with real-world investment exposure, enhancing their career prospects. The initiative incubated under IMV Field aligns with Agnes, a program aiding early-stage startups in securing funding and scaling their businesses. Groq CEO Jonathan Ross advises India to focus on fine-tuning existing AI models instead of building foundational models or AI chips from scratch. He highlights India's advantage in AI adoption due to its vast population and entrepreneurial talent. Ross emphasizes that training models is costly and time consuming, while fine tuning existing models for India's diverse languages is more efficient. Groq, a challenger to NVIDIA, is enhancing AI inferencing and scaling infrastructure with plans to connect Indian networks to its Saudi data center. Ross discourages replicating global AI chip development, advocating instead for leveraging existing resources to build AI driven businesses. He also discusses Grok's competitive strategy legal action against Elon Musk over the Grok name and the company's resilience during financial challenges. Grok prioritizes affordability and accessibility in AI, aiming to lower intelligence costs globally while maintaining financial discipline and a strong company culture. PM Narendra Modi, in his Mann Ki Baat address, praised India's growing space startup ecosystem and youth participation in the sector. He highlighted that India now has hundreds of private space startups making space science an exciting career choice. Over the past decade, India has launched around 460 satellites, including many for other countries. Modi also emphasized increasing women's representation in space science and lauded ISRO's 100th rocket launch, calling it a testament to India's progress. He acknowledged key achievements like Chandrayaan Mangalyaan and the record launch of 104 satellites in one go. The INR 500 crore Technology Adoption Fund by InSpace aims to support space startups and MSMEs in commercializing innovations. Former ISRO chief S. Somanath proposed setting up space parks to enhance startup growth. Modi also praised wildlife startups, urging support for initiatives in wildlife conservation and protection. India's AI and machine learning startups have faced fluctuating funding trends over the past 2 years, with a 26% decline in total funding in 2024, securing $747 million. Despite this, the number of deals rose from 78 in 2023 to 121, reflecting sustained investor interest, especially in early stage ventures. Generative AI startups have seen significant growth, with over 200 startups raising more than $1.2 billion since 2020, driven by India's strong $250 billion IT sector and a vast talent pool of nearly 5 million programmers. Projections suggest India's AI market could reach $17 billion by 2027. The government has also stepped in with the $1.25 billion India AI mission to enhance AI infrastructure and public sector applications. Global investors are increasingly interested, as seen in AI Fund's investment in Gurugram based healthcare AI startup Jivi. While overall funding has declined, the rise in deal volume and strategic investments indicates a promising future for India's AI ecosystem. Chalo Mobility, India's leading bus transport technology company, is revolutionizing public transport with real-time tracking, digital ticketing, and cashless payments, powering over 30,000 buses and enabling 4 billion rides annually. Operating remotely from Goachalo leverages the state's high-speed digital infrastructure, pro-business policies, and thriving startup ecosystem. CEO Mohit Dubey highlights Goa's unique blend of nature connectivity and innovation as key reasons for choosing it as a startup base. With institutions like BITS Pilani Goa and Goa Engineering College providing talent and strong government support for tech ventures, Goa is emerging as a premier startup hub. The state's stress-free environment, investor-friendly policies, and digital infrastructure make it ideal for remote-first companies. As Chalo continues to scale, Goa is redefining itself as more than a vacation spot. It's becoming India's next major startup destination, fostering a new era of work and innovation. UP CM Yogi Adityanath emphasized the need for youth to become job creators, highlighting UP's growing startup ecosystem with over 14,000 startups, half led by women. At a conclave of 100 unicorns, he praised PM Modi's initiatives like Startup India and Make in India for redefining entrepreneurship. He cited success stories including a women-led dairy network with INR 1,500 crore turnover and Physics Walla, a unicorn in edtech. Yogi showcased UP's advances in agriculture, healthcare, and electric mobility, stressing innovation's role in economic growth. He also highlighted digital solutions like Koya Paya, which reunited 28,000 missing persons. Encouraging investment, he positioned UP as a trillion-dollar economy in the making, backed by strong policies, infrastructure, and emerging tech sectors. That's a wrap on this episode of Swadesi Startup Speaks. From India's space startups to AI's future and crypto's evolving landscape, we've covered it all. Stay tuned for more insights into India's growing startup ecosystem. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more stories shaping Bharat's entrepreneurial journey.